if you are like me and still live under your parents' roof. Of course, you want to make more money than them, and this is how to do it. Let's divide it into 3 steps for easier understanding. You might be a little bored when I said mindset, but here's the truth, my friend. Everything that you do, everything that you see, and everything that you hear is determined by your mindset. I know you've seen those Karen and young dumb girls videos where they get exposed by the truth and just denying it. This is because their mind is covered by their beliefs, which prevent anything outside of what they wanted to hear entering their souls. They only accept what they want to hear because that is their beliefs of the truth. This is called the fixed mindset. There is no room for exploration here. So what I want you to do is audit your beliefs and turn it into growth mindset. This way, you will be able to explore the world and find a better place to grow your success. And you are prohibited to think badly about your beliefs. If you keep thinking, what if I fail? What if it's not going to work? Everything will break. Guess what? It will be true. The world isn't as it is. The world is as you are. These are the 2 beliefs you need to eliminate if you want to achieve growth mindset. The first one is self-limiting beliefs. What do you believe about yourself? Your skills? Where do you come from? Write it all down and find what habits you need to add to your life. What should you learn to overcome all of those limits? The second one is the negative beliefs. If you're thinking that making a lot of money and moving from your parents' house is bad because it breaks your family, you will not be able to see your parents often. Then you need to change it. You need to change how you view things. Instead of thinking making money will break your family, think about how having a lot of money will help your family. Your mother doesn't have to work anymore. You can pay all the medical bills. You can take care of your family. When you align your beliefs with your goals, success becomes inevitable. And this brings us to the second step, which is to build your skills. A quick life lesson: people are going to value others that can help them make more money or save their time. I will be honest with you. The best skills you need to build are sales and marketing skills. Every business in this world needs sales. The art of persuasion to make people want to buy from you, make people want to exchange value from you is powerful. When your goal is to make a lot of money with no background, sales is your answer. Sales salary might be just as regular as other jobs, but their income is unlimited because of their commission. Most of the companies in this world paid bonuses to Salesforce based on their achievement. You don't need to be the number one. You just need to be the professional one. So your income is measured by your achievement. The world pays you based on the value you create. The key to achieve it is you have to become obsessed. Find a role model in one industry that you admire the most. It's okay to be a big fan of someone that you look up to. Just copy everything that they do, learn everything they teach, watch their videos, learn how they talk, learn how they think, and learn how they view the world. If you successfully copy their ways of doing business, at least you can achieve 1% the amount of money they made, and usually higher. And again, it is up to you. You are the only person in this world that can change your own life. That is step 3. Change your habits. Your positions today, your status today, is a product from your daily habits. You are today is a reflection of the habits you chose. If you are nowhere near your dream life, it means something is wrong with your habits. At least these are the 3 habits you need to implement. 1, wake up earlier than you wanted to. 2, read a book or learn something every single day. And 3, go to the gym or train some martial arts. And that's how you can make more money surpassing your parents.